Lee, that's right. Following several breaking stories, like including President Trump.
The first, a late-night ruling by a federal court blocking the president's plans for sweeping global tariffs.
Eyewitness News reporter Josh Einiger in the newsroom with the breaking information. Josh.
Mike and Sade, many people may never have heard of the U.S. Court of International Trade, but tonight it made a sweeping ruling giving President Trump just 10 days to wind down most of his tariffs and the trade war they sparked. From a little-known court on Foley Square, a huge blow to the president's tariff plan.
My fellow Americans, this is Liberation Day.
He launched a global trade war using emergency powers under an obscure law, which the federal court tonight said does not authorize him to issue tariffs. His executive orders, the court continued, exceed any authority granted to the president. Tonight, futures markets soared on the news the White House has 10 days to rescind its tariffs. And here on the Upper West Side,
everybody's happy. This is good.
Victor Owen Schwartz rejoiced. The Manhattan wine importer is among 5 small businesses who filed suit against Trump and tonight won their case. Schwartz imports products from 14 countries on 5 continents.
They all have different tariffs, and how are you going to calculate that? And then they're going to change. So it's very impactful. You know, businesses thrive on stability, right? This is the opposite. This is chaos. It's just been chaos.
The 3 judges on the panel, one of whom was appointed by President Trump, could still be reversed on appeal, the White House already vowing one. It is not for unelected judges, a White House spokesman said tonight, to decide how to properly address a national emergency. Important to point out, this order does not impact the Trump tariffs on automobiles or on steel or on aluminum, but everything else, and there is so much else that was impacted by Trump's tariff announcement. He had cited the trade deficit and the fentanyl crisis as the emergencies requiring tariffs, but the court disagreed, issuing this sweeping opinion across actually 2 different cases, the one with the 5 small business owners and one brought by 12 state attorneys general, including Letitia James of New York, who tonight called this, quote, a major victory for working families, business, and the rule of law. The decision, of course, could still be reversed on appeal or end up at the Supreme Court. Sade.
Okay, Josh, thank you.